Good afternoon and welcome to the Retail Jeweler Recommends webinar. Meghna, it's great to have you with us. So, what do you have to offer to the retail jewelers who will be attending on Saturday?
Thank you so much, Samit, for having me as a part of your this wonderful webinar. I think from 2020, post-COVID especially, everyone is going to see a total different revolutionizing of technology with immersive experiences. So augmented reality and virtual reality are going to take over the world, where people will not be able to just see the products on the internet, but actually experience themselves in their current background or in their current environment. And I think that is where a shift in mindset in technology is going to really help all the retailers out there to be able to sell without holding inventory, to be able to give a world-class experience to their customers while they're sitting in their stores.
You have been in the market now for the last couple of years, Meghna. If you could share us some numbers of how the entire product is doing in India.
Currently, we are working with around 225 jewelers across the country, with some of the top jewelers like Tanishq, Kalyan, Senco, Hazuri Lal. All of them use this technology. We are seeing jewelers from tier 3, tier 4 cities also adapt to these technologies. For example, Ratnalaya Jeweler from Patna has been aggressively promoting virtual try-on, have been using it. So we feel that the industry has become more open to technology and adapting it. We measure 3 KPIs. One is conversion rate. The second is return in, reduction in return rates. And the third is engagement. And we have seen 37% conversion increase after try-on has been incorporated, close to 32% reduction in return rate, and engagement increases somewhere between 150 to 200%, depending on how the jeweler is promoting it. So yeah, we're seeing like a huge transformation in mindset, in use of technology amongst jewelers across the country.
So nice to hear, and I'm sure everybody who will be participating will be looking to contact you. And as you and your team have already decided that after the webinar you will be giving away the freemium product which you have to all the participants of this webinar. So we look forward to having you at the webinar and to the entire presentation and all the hacks which you can tell the jewelers what to use for the AR in their showrooms, outside their showrooms with Mirar, and get customers attracted towards their jewelry. Thank you, Meghna.
Thank you so much, Samit.